Hi everyone, this is Kat and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how I achieved this no foundation makeup look. Since almost everyone is working from home or having online classes, it's important to look presentable during online meetings. And aside from looking presentable, we should never neglect taking care of our skin. In this video, I'm going to show you how I layered my favorite sunscreen with this minimal makeup look. Also guys, please watch until the end of this video because we will be having a giveaway. So if you're interested to know how I did this no foundation and very lightweight makeup routine, please keep on watching. So guys, before we begin, may gusto lang kong i-share sa inyo. So alam niyo naman yung current situation natin ngayon. Almost everyone is working from home and yung mga students naman, they're also having their online classes at home. So even if we are staying indoors, it's important to protect our skin from the harmful rays of the sun. Kasi kahit nasa bahay tayo, these harmful rays can penetrate through our windows. So I'm very excited to share with you guys my current favorite sunscreen. This is the Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen and it has SPF 50 PA++. And what I like about this is that meron siyang brightening effect and meron nga siyang SPF and it's also hypoallergenic, which is perfect for me because I have allergies. So if you guys are fond of using yung mga whitening products, I suggest na itry nyo itong sa Bello kasi hindi lang whitening yun na po provide nyo sa skin nyo, it also provides protection. By the way, this costs 374.75 pesos and it only comes in one size. So ito lang yung size niya guys. And meron siyang 50 ml. This is available sa Shopee and sa Lazada. Ililink ko na lang lahat sa description box. And also, pwede nyo itong bilhin sa SM and sa Watsons. Zoom ko kayo guys para makita nyo. So, i-apply ko muna to sa half ng aking face. So guys, ito na yung meron product and ito yung wala pa. So ngayon, lalagay ko na sa buong face. Ganyan siya guys. Ganyan yung consistency niya. And madami talaga ako maglagay ng sunscreen. Maglagay din tayo sa neck. What I like about this guys is sobrang lightweight niya sa skin. Hindi rin siya sticky. Ang ayoko kasi talaga sa sunscreen, yung mga malalagkit sa feeling. And sobrang dali niyang na-absorb ng skin ko. By the way, dry skin pala ako para meron kayong background. So for me, sobrang perfect to everyday. Kung gusto niyo ng daily sunscreen, ayan, pwede niyo itong itry. Actually guys, yung sunscreen, hindi naman siya sticky. So kahit hindi na kayo mag-apply ng powder. Pero kung sanay kayo talaga gumamit ng powder, pwede naman kayo mag-apply. Loose powder lang tong ginagamit ko. Then gamit lang kayo ng any mist. Since makapal yung eyebrows ko, binabrush ko lang siya. And then finifill ko lang yung mga parts na walang hair. And since yung makeup na to is for mga online meetings lang naman, hindi naman kailangan na sobrang pulido yung pagkagawa ng kilay. So next is yung eyes. So depende yun sa inyo guys kung gusto nyo maglagay ng eyeshadow. Pero ako, gusto ko maglagay kahit konti lang. For the eyeshadow, ito yung gagamitin natin. Itong color na to and ito. Naglalagay ako ng orange na shade. Yan, sa buong eyelids muna. Then, ganun din sa kabila. Tapos, naglalagay din ako sa lower lash line. So, after no orange shade, gagamit tayo nito, medyo brown. So, lalagay natin dito sa may crease. So, after nyan, i-curl ko lang yung lashes ko and mag-a-apply ako ng mascara. Sobrang simple lang. 2 shades of color lang yung in-apply natin. Kayang-kaya nyo siyang gawin. So, syempre guys, nakakamiss din mag-contour, highlight, and blush. So, syempre gagawin natin yung mga yun. Magko-contour muna ako. And syempre, mahalagang contour is yung sa nose. So, next is magpa-blush naman tayo. Since medyo peachy yung eyeshadow natin, ganun din yung color ng blush. So, ang gagamitin ko is itong dalawa. Yan, i-combine ko sila. So, next is highlight. So, ito yung gagamitin ko. Any highlighting powder, pwede nyong gamitin. Dito, sa may taas ng cheeks. Dito din, sa may nose. Other side, lagay din tayo. Alam nyo guys, madali lang gawin tong makeup na to. Usually, 5 minutes ko lang tong ginagawa. Kung hindi lang ako nagsasalita. Gantong shade yung gagamitin ko. If meron kayong mga ganito, ayan, perfect yan dun sa eyeshadow natin. And bagay na bagay to sa mga morena skin tone. And may trick akong ginagawa para magmukhang natural yung lipstick. So, kuha lang kayo ng tissue and gawin nyo to. Yan. So guys, ito na yung ating finished makeup look. Maglalagay na lang ako ng clip somewhere sa screen ko ng itsura niya pag naka-zoom in. And guys, super duper happy ako sa outcome because it feels lightweight. This look is perfect for online meetings. If you're an employee and you're working from home, ayan, pwede mo to gamitin sa mga Zoom meetings nyo. Also, kapag student ka naman and you're having online classes, you can try this makeup look. Or if you just want to feel good at home or gusto mo mag-try ng mga home photoshoot ideas, ayan, pwede nyo tong itry. And guys, pwede nyo rin to gamitin as it is because it's perfect for everyday use. It's lightweight, it's non-sticky, and it's easily absorbed by the skin. Common misconception kasi sa paggamit ng sunscreen is kapag lalabas ka lang ng bahay. Pero guys, hindi. Kailangan natin mag-sunscreen everyday kasi sa mga windows natin, nape-penetrate yan ng mga harmful rays of the sun, and also pati yung mga artificial light natin sa bahay, harmful din siya sa skin. And again guys, if you want to purchase this sunscreen, this is only 374.75 pesos. It's available in Shopee and Lazada. I will link it on the description box below. And available din siya sa SM department stores and sa Watson. Now, for the giveaway part, alam ko inaabangan nyo to. So, there will be 3 winners and each winner will win 2 Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. The mechanics are just simple. First is you must subscribe to my channel. You must follow me on Instagram. You must also follow Bello Sun Expert on Instagram. And comment down below why you want to try the Bello Sun Expert Whitening Sunscreen. And don't forget to use this hashtag. Lastly, comment on my IGTV post and don't forget to use this hashtag as well. You can also check the description box kung naguguluhan kayo sa mechanics. Nandun lahat. Ilalagay ko lahat dun. I will be announcing the winners on my Instagram page. If you like this video, don't forget to click the thumbs up button and subscribe. I hope you learned something from me. See you on my next video. Bye-bye!